Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into Bellevue University. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Bellevue University account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for University of Bellevue login. After searching for University of Bellevue login, you'll come up to this page where you can tap on the first option which says General Login Information. After tapping on General Login Information, to log in your Bellevue account, what you can do is just tap on the top right corner of your screen. You can find Login option. You just have to tap on Login. So to log in your Bellevue account, what you can do is just scroll down, and after scrolling down here, you can find this option which says Cyber Active Online Classroom. So just tap on that. And after tapping on that option, now you can log into your Bellevue account. So just tap on login with Burn-in Connect, and then you can find the login page of Bellevue. So now to log in your account, you have to enter your username and password. After entering the username and password, you can tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you will successfully sign into your Bellevue University account. So if you have forgotten your password, or you want to reset or recover your password, so to do that, what you can do is just tap on need more help. After tapping on need more help, here you can find this option which says forgot password. So just tap on forgot password, and after tapping on forgot password, you can easily reset or recover your password. You can also unlock your account if it's locked by tapping on unlock account. But you are still facing some trouble while logging into your Bellevue account, what you can do is just tap on still having trouble, contact Burn-in support. So you can tap on that option and then seek help from Burn-in. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Bellevue University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.